What's up, YouTube? Today I'm at Old Glory Harley-Davidson, one of my favorite dealerships in the DMV, and they have the demo truck today, doing some demo rides. And today I'm gonna go ahead and check out this anniversary edition CVO Road Glide Limited, and I know it's gonna ride pretty much similar to Grady, and that's how Grady started right there, and with the 114. And I remember those days. The 114 is a smooth engine. My favorite engine so far is the 117 that I've ridden out of all the bikes, and this is a 117. So the new CVO Road Glide Special and Street Glide Special come with the 121, and I've never ridden a 121, so that is going to be something interesting. So, but I'm out here. The weather's perfect today, and I worked last night, got about 4 hours of sleep, because when it's daytime, I'm not a good sleeper. So I'm out here and just enjoying myself. Lots of people out. This is just one half of the store, whereas they have a whole bunch of other activities that way that's going on. All right, so I just got off the demo ride. I rode the Harley-Davidson Anniversary Edition CVO, and this is 2023, and I enjoyed it. It's 117. It doesn't give me that same 117 power, of course, as being the 117 on the Lowrider S, because it's got a lot of weight to it. I think with the CVO being that heavy, for the touring model, I think they got it right this time. For the special being a 121, I think you need some added motor power for all that extra weight. So I like Grady being a 131. I like that that motor power to weight differential. So I like lighter bikes with high power. So it's just a different ride, different feel. I felt, for me, being used to Grady, I felt the bike was a little bit underpowered. And I redlined it a few times, not even realizing it needed to switch gear. It just kind of, you know, wasn't holding up to what I'm used to. So, but it's a good ride if you haven't experienced the 131 stage 2. Pan America, that was one of my enjoyable bikes that I've owned. And there's a live wire. That was one of my favorites also on the list because of the power. All right, man. Hey, I'll see you, man. I'm done. All right, so there's a big flag. People out here parked. And there is Judy and some of the other bikes out front. Some of the other guys out here riding. And let me show you some people that you're familiar with seeing. It's the famous Jimmy, Tracy, and Kirk. YouTube famous. What y'all up to today?
We getting right head home.
It's the money
We
team.
want some money.
The money team.
And we're not trying to spend it all together.
Where'd y'all win the money at?
District Harley-Davidson at primary. Fort Washington represented very well. Ty Bond, Jimmy Jennings, Kirksville, the lovely Tracy Jennings. Even Marty was there.
Marty was there? Okay. Shout out to Marty. What's up, Marty? Man, hey, y'all killed it. Y'all represented Fort Washington.
You know, somebody from the top is going to get the 50-50 next.
50-50. All right, so where we riding to next? Y'all going home? You going home?
Home, man.
Y'all going up the road? All right. All right, I'll see y'all. Well, I'm gonna ride with you for a minute.
Still gotta give you love.
All right, man.
It's a 7, man.
All right.
We're done.
Okay. See you next time.
See ya.
All right.
Be safe.
Always good. I got to get out for 2 hours.
I know you rode that CVO Limited. I mean, CVO Road Glide Limited. Don't buy it yet, man. Cool your heels, bro. Cool your heels, man.
He said it first. I'm not gonna buy it though. Well, maybe, I don't know. All right, y'all. See y'all. So we're just about to hop on the bikes now and jump on the bikes and head down the Beltway. Where you park at?
Right there.
Okay, I'm gonna jump on and follow you. All right, guys. I don't have my camera mount today. I just literally hopped on. I'm supposed to be in the bed sleep. I'm about to go home and sleep. I work that night shift, so just came out for a small bit of fun. I'm hopping on. I will see y'all in a minute. And as always, stay tuned. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I just took a quick ride today. I got to go in here and get some rest and get ready for work tonight. And just was out here on the Road Glide 3, enjoying the ride. This thing rides beautiful. It's got the power. It's got everything that I, can imagine and more. It's great. It's just like being on a regular Road Glide. You just got to keep in mind those two wheels that you have in the back for space when you're trying to ease in between lanes or do what you got to do, or even like pulling into the garage. You have to remember to watch out for the walls and stuff right there. But again, had a good time today. And if you are interested, Judy is for sale for $35,500, and that's a pretty good price. They're starting off that much, but I think that's for chrome. It may not be for all black and the options that I have. Plus, you would still have to pay tax, tags, dealer fees, and freights, and all this other stuff. Whereas for me, you could just get it for $35,500, and it already has all the different options and things installed that you would like. Check in the description for the list of parts that have been put on, and check out the video before this one. It gives you a walk around of the bike and shows you all the things that were installed. All right, until next time, see you guys. Thanks for watching.